Hi everybody. This is for how to set up your paper in APA format. Everybody has a little bit of a problem with this, so I'm going to try to walk you through it. First, make sure that you use the header area. You can see I just double clicked there, and now we have the header area. It automatically comes up here, but what I want you to do is I want you to go home. I want you to set it to Times New Roman, font size 12, and right. Okay. Then you go to Insert. What you do here is you type in a short title of your paper, leave a space, and then go to page number. In page number, you want to go to current position, and you want to hit plain number. That's it. That's setting up your header area, which will be on every page. Now for the cover page, what you want to do is you want to go back to home, and you want to go to center. You want to go down a couple of lines because you want to kind of center this on the paper all over the place. When you center it on the paper, first thing that you're going to type in is the title of your paper. Second thing you're going to type in is your name. The third thing is Hillsborough. Just bear with me, I'm the world's worst typist. Community College. And I want you to note that it is in Times New Roman, font size 12. That's absolutely crucial. APA requires everything is done in this font. The next thing you're going to type is your class. In this case, it's ENC 1102 or 1101. And then your section number would go here. It's the 5 digits for your section number. Next, you're going to type in my name, and then the due date of the paper. And the date is done. Oh, I'll write it after the end here. It would be like January 13th, 2012. Not in parentheses, I'm just showing you how the date is typed. You don't use the number function. When you get done with that, you hit Control Enter. That was Control Enter. That ends the page and starts a new one. Now you can type your title here again, and you can come down one line. What you want to do, the way you want to set this up is, did everybody just see what I did? In the paragraph section, you go to this little arrow, and that brings up a new page. You want to make sure that your paper is set up so that the first line by point 5 is clicked on indentation. You want to look at line spacing and make sure that it is double. And you also want to make sure this is not clicked normally. What you want to make sure is that you click this. That allows you to do your writing much as it is in a book without extra lines between paragraphs. So make sure that's clicked. Click OK, and now your thing is set up. Now what I have done with mine is I've gone to normal. Let's go here. I'm going to type a little something. Sorry. Okay. Now when you click it again, it's going to do the indent. But it's not going to leave extra spaces. See how nice that looks? Now, right click on normal and say update normal to match selection. What you need to do here before you do that is highlight this, go to normal, update normal to match selection. Boom. Now it will come, that will be your normal. Okay? Now, as you're writing your paper, double check and make sure that everything is going fine. I'm going to start another page here by hitting Control Enter to show you how to set up your reference page. This is really important. Go center and type in references. Notice that there's no punctuation. It just simply says references. And you come down here and you go to the left again. When you do the left indent, what you're going to do here now is, well, let's type everything in. Let's do now the title of an article. If you find an article, and this is not online, this is in a book or in a journal, it's in from the library, it would be the title of the article. And I want you to notice that only the first word is capitalized here. The rest of them aren't unless they're proper nouns. Next comes the title of the journal that it's in. So let's say, well, I'm just going to put in the general information. Journal, comma, and it is volume number 21. Unitalicized and immediately, no spaces, put in the issue number, a comma, and the page numbers. Period. Now, if you got this from the online library instead of a handheld version, you have to put your retrieval information in here. So let me show you how to do this. You do, oops, sorry. You do retrieved from, let's say it was the EBSCOhost database. Alternatively, and I'm going to do I'm going to show you a couple of things here, so just bear with me. Oops. Told you I'm the world's worst typist. I'm just going to copy this here. This has to be italics for the journal title. And then, suppose it's a DOI. And we'll talk about this in the library section when the librarian comes and talks to you guys. The DOI is a string of numbers. It's just a string of numbers. That's all you need. if you've got a DOI. Those are only for articles in the last couple of years. They're not going to be in older literature more than a couple of years old. And that's how you set this up. Now, one more thing you got to remember. First, see this? That's S. This is B. You have to take the S and put it after the B because it has to be alphabetical by author. The other thing that you have to do is you're going to highlight everything that you've written and you're going to go back to this paragraph thing. Just do it on the highlighted material. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the indentation. The only thing you're going to change on here is you're going to change this to a hanging indent. Hanging. Click OK. See how it goes? Perfect. Now, you can see that I have set up a section here on my Word that is for ref. And you go to here. Pick one that you never use and then do modify and change the name of it. Or you can actually do this over here. I did that wrong. Right click. Nope, that's not it either. I can't remember how to do this one. Usually there's one down here that says save selection in new quick style. That's the one you want. So what you would do is you would click on this, highlight it. You would left click on this, save selection as a new quick style, and then you can save it with your own name. I have set one up here for reference so that when I highlight material and I hit reference, it automatically puts it into the hanging indent style. You don't want to do this before you get everything typed in. Okay? And I hope that this helps explain how to do this. Okay, thank you.